Want to improve your English? Speaking and writing instantly. Learn these powerful linking words. Addition linking words. Contrast linking words. Cause and effect linking words. Time linking words. Condition linking words. Comparison linking words. Example linking words. And I like tea and coffee. Also, she sings, she also dances. Besides, I play football. Besides, I swim. Furthermore, the plan is cheap. Furthermore, it works well. Moreover, he is smart. Moreover, he is kind. Additionally, we offer free delivery. Contrast linking words. But I tried, but I failed. However, it's sunny, however it is cold. Although it's rained, we played. Zoe, it was hard, I passed though. Whereas, she likes tea, whereas I prefer coffee. Yet, she is rich, yet unhappy. Cause and effects linking words. Because, I stayed home because I was sick. Since it's late, let's go. Therefore, it rained, therefore we stayed inside. Thus, he studied hard, thus he passed. Hence, she was tired, hence she slept early. Consequently, he didn't train, consequently he lost. Time linking words. Before, wash hands before eating. After, we played after school. Meanwhile, she cooked, meanwhile I cleaned. Then, finish homework, then play. Later. I will call you later. Finally we arrived home. Condition linking words. If it rains, we stay home. Unless, don't go unless I come. Whether, I don't know whether to go. Comparison linking words. Similarly, I love maths. Similarly, I enjoy it. Likewise, she's tall. Likewise, her sister is tall. Unlike me, she wakes early. Example, linking words. I left early for I was tired. Namely, two students, namely Allie and Sarah, are toppers. So here we learned all commonly. Use linking words. Comment your favorite linking word.